What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. So today we're gonna be because I'm gonna take off the timing cover. When you take off the timing cover in the oil pan, you have to put on the silicone. They have a gasket, right? So the LTs are the only ones that have the silicone thing.
For the oil pan.
Yep. All-nighter plus going all the way to Conroe. Yeah. You guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. So today we're gonna be putting everything back on the motor, the 5.3. Everything's done, the cam is in there. It's a good thing that I changed the cam, because from the last previous video you saw that when I took out the original stock cam, it was a lobe that was actually a little messed up. Russell actually caught that as soon as I took it out. It wasn't because I was pulling it out, I was doing it slowly and carefully. He was thinking a lifter failure happened on this motor. So it's a good thing that we're doing all this. I'm doing the DOD delete and the cam kit, stage 3. We're gonna be putting everything back together today, hopefully, and then tomorrow I'm probably gonna be taking it back to David's shop so we can start trying to put it back inside Little Blue. After that, we're gonna try to see if we can get RM tuning. I already picked them so they can start messing with my truck, because they're known to play around with a lot of LT motors. I really want to take it over there and just to see what they could do with it. I want to do a street tune on it first before I do any dyno tune. I haven't talked to him yet. That's the plan. I might change my mind, who knows, throughout this whole process. That is the plan today. So here we go. Alright guys, so today we're going to be putting back the valley pan, and then we're going to be putting the fuel pump on. I wanted to clean the pistons, but they're eventually going to look like that again. We're going to be putting the aftermarket lifters and rod. Cam is already in there. Russ already did the phaser gear. It was a little complicated. The many reasons why I wanted to take it to Veloz. When I run into problems like that, he already knows exactly how to solve it, and he has the tools as well, and everybody else has the tools if I need them. My little toolbox doesn't have all the tools in the world. Just putting it all together. As soon as Little Blue is done, I'm going to start working on the 6.0 right here for the red truck, one project at a time. And plus I need my Little Blue truck back on the road, because she is my daily and I miss my truck. I like that little car because it saves a lot of gas, but I want a smile per gallon type of guy right now. We're gonna get this thing done. Alright guys, so I went to O'Reilly to pick up some silicone, because on the LTs, when you take off timing cover in the oil pan, you have to put on the silicone. It doesn't really have a gasket, so we're gonna have to put silicone all around. Does the LS have silicone?
No, it takes the gasket.
So the LTs are the only ones that have the silicone thing.
For the oil pan and the other covers, usually most of them have gasket. They have a silicone now instead of gasket.
Yeah, I kind of hate that. There's there's a lot of details that I hate about the LTs, but at the end of the day, I appreciate it because I own one, so. Alright guys, well I'm just gonna be putting the bolts back in. That silicone ain't no joke. Look at this. Silicone kind of busted from the back, so kind of got in the back of my hand. Alright guys, we're almost halfway there. I am going to be installing this cam seal, front crack seal,
Crank seal.
crack,
Booty crack.
front crack seal, or crank.
Crack.
Ah, you're full of
Crank seal.
whatever the hell it's called. We're gonna put that right here. Just gonna do this real quick. And then we're gonna be putting in the new springs and push rods and the rest of the accessories. So, shout out to Russell and Jomar and everybody else is working here. They showed me how to do the springs on the heads fast. It took me like maybe an hour just to figure it out, like trying to maneuver it fast. I'm going to be doing these last ones for this head. Probably call it a day. It's literally like 132. I mean 131. Yep. Alright guys, well, I learned a lot today, and I feel like next time I actually do it myself, in the knowledge, in the brain, but I don't have the tools. So if I do start working on another motor, I'm probably gonna bring it over here to Velocity so they can help me out just in case some little details that I forget, and they have the tools. So we're gonna get back to it, and hopefully I can get it done pretty quickly. My battery's about to die. Yeah. What's up guys? So it's already 4:21 where I'm going to stay here and try to finish the motor up. I did have a little bit of issues going on when I was trying to put the little locks on where the spring goes, you know, put the little locks on the top, which is pain in the ass. It's a very pain in the ass process, but we got it sorted out. I did cross thread some on one of the parts. I mean one of the parts. But Jomar kind of helped out. He saved the day, fixed that little problem that I created, fixed it, and I moved on from there. He as well helped me out with the last two springs, compressing it and putting that little lock that I had a little problem with. But I got it all sorted out. How are you feeling, bro?
Sleepy.
Yeah, your eyes are red.
422.
4:22. Russell went to go get some food, so I decided I'm going to clean because I was cleaning here, and I want to clean here, 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 here. This one's kind of almost. The motor's almost done. There's a couple of little things I have to do to it, but overall, but the camera's about to die, so I'm gonna charge it and see what's up. Oh yeah, I'm tired. I didn't get to finish it. There was just so much going on. I am heading to Exclusive in Conroe right now to start making a video because they need a video right now. So all-nighter plus going all the way to Conroe. Yeah. What is up up, guys? So the vlog is a little short. These vlogs are 2 weeks backed up just because I've been literally every day going constantly to the shop and going to David's shop and getting it done. So right now just wanted to start editing all the videos that I already recorded so I can start putting them out there daily. This vlog is a little short, so I'm going to be putting in a little dirt bike video that I did this past weekend that explains the hair. It's long on that video. It's long on the dirt bike video, but finally I cut my hair, as you can see. So sorry, I'm trying to get up to date to the current present day, but just because I'm working a lot, live in other places, and then after that going to the shop, I don't really have enough time to start editing the videos, but I do have time now. So I'm gonna be doing like daily vlogs till you currently see me now. So thanks for watching. Right here, you gotta stop right here. I gotta pay right now.
He wants to convince me to buy a bike, guys. I'm not letting him. In the back.
Running the whole time. Let's get this party started.
Alright, where am I going?
Go straight.
My first time being here.
It's pretty awesome, huh?
I ain't even lie, I like it's cool. I'd be scared to drive one though.
Nah.
A little kid driving.
A little kid is out here riding, and you scared to ride one? Different now. Oh.
Move, little kid, if I run you over.
Little kid. You heard him? Let's park it right over there. You almost lost it.
El mundo quiere dinero. Y si no hay pues emigrar. Todo money, money, todo el dinero. Solo un par de gente se lleva el botín entero. Money, money, cosa verdadero. Si tienes lo verde siempre llegará primero. De dónde vengo ni cómo fue. Money work. El mundo quiere dinero.
My guy did a jump and he hit his nuts. Cause at first he was just trying to show me, he was trying to show off. Look, he hit that jump right there. Hit it, it landed, and there was two people coming over here. So you press the brake real hard.
I quickly hit the front brake so I can avoid them. It pushed my body all the way to the front. I hit my nut. I don't know, both nuts.
So now he can't have kids.
I'm gonna go back out there. Ain't no little.
It was clean though. I didn't believe him when he said he could do high jumps. I wish I would have recorded it though.
Let's go again.
Money work. Las cosas como son. No quiero ninguna aceptación. Tampoco vengo a pedir perdón. Mis sentimientos se volvieron la canción. No me voy a ir mucho como tú me ves. Solo tú me llevas solo a los pies. No se grande de un interés. Money work. De corazón. La plata no te hace ser feliz. Yeah, de corazón. De corazón. La plata no te hace ser feliz. Money work. El mundo quiere dinero. Yeah, 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 yeah. Money work. Money work. Money work. Money work. Se arregla con dinero. Money work.
As Stewie Griffin would say, I got blisters on my blisters. Oh, shit hurts. Alright, I guess that's it for today. Johnny came.
Always helping the boy.
Johnny came at the end where I'm already having blisters and I'm already pooped. I was riding real good in the
It was a good experience though.
This man left with my water and I was dying out here. I had to ask people, shout out to the guys, they even know who I was when I asked them for water. I'm like, I'm dying, I need some water, help me please. They're like, yay, okay. So where's Freddie at? I'm like, I don't know. But I guess that's it for today. Let me know if you guys want to see better, cooler tricks. I'm gonna learn how to do more. We'll just see how everything else turns out. All right. See you guys in the next vlog. It was short. It was a little short video. Oh well. Next time will be better. I'll be better prepared. I didn't eat all day. I didn't work out for a whole month. So this bike is kicking my ass. All right. Like, subscribe, turn the bell notification on, become part of Legacy, and we'll see you on the next. I was giving it too much and like cause it's going downhill a little bit and it slid right here. First time I ever going through that, was pretty, this shit hurt.
How did you feel that you almost fell?
I'll redeem myself. That's the first time ever going through that. But you know, a lot of people are scared to even do that. So it's cause it's a little hill going down. I didn't even think about it too much. I just said, it's gonna be a badass shot anyways, f it. But I ain't perfect, I'm gonna show y'all. Nobody's perfect in this world. They edit those parts out, but not me. I show it all. Let's go. Oh, Maserati. Over here, we're gonna take it and go all the way over. It's not a Tesla this time?
I believe.